Made it to Ikea. Now we're just waiting for Emily, but she's over there.
Aww, look at her.
She sees us. Hi, Emily. Hi. Good morning, everyone. Today is Thursday. And where are we going? We're going to Ikea. And if you notice that we only have 3 babies, Emily is actually with Auntie Gaga. She stayed over at her house last night, so she's going to actually meet us at Ikea with Emily. And yeah, then we're going to see her, but I've definitely missed her for the night. It's definitely weird waking up and not have Emily there because she's the one who talks all the time. But are we ready to go? Oh, you want your hood on? Yeah. There you go. Okay, pull it up. Okay, pull. No, we won't do that. So there you go. So we're just going to go into the van quick and then drive. We're actually, oops, here. Uh-oh. We're actually leaving a little later than I thought. I was trying to leave at 10:30, but now it's 11 because I forgot all about, well, I remembered because I saw an email, but what's the matter? What's the matter, buddy? I'm going to do up your sweater for you? Yeah. Well, you can say thank you. But yeah, so the triplets actually had their 2-year, 24-month appointment this morning. Maybe I'll just tell you in the van once I can get everyone settled. So 1 second. Okay, we're in the van now, so I can quickly say, so they had their 2-year development appointment this morning, which I almost forgot about. I knew about it, and I knew it was today. I just forgot when the time came in the morning. So that's why we're leaving a little bit later now than what I hoped for. But either way, we'll still make it there to Ikea today. But the babies are all doing really good on their appointments, or for their development and stuff like that. Everything that they've been learning and talking and everything like that. So it's good. Oh. Huh? There's the Auntie Tay-Tay. She's coming with us. You need a sweater?
Yeah, I think this is for Emily. It's a little chef hat.
Oh, that's cute.
And like a little apron.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. That's what you wore, no?
Yeah.
Oh, it came with like a baking set too.
Yeah, I don't know. That's long gone.
Yeah, you might want a sweater.
Yeah.
So yeah, we're going to Ikea though today to do some shopping. Taylor wanted to see like little decorations and stuff for her room. I also might get, well, my mom gave me some curtains for Emily and Olivia's room, just like pink ones that Taylor had. So I'm going to try and find a curtain rod for that. They were pretty cheap at Ikea. And then, of course, maybe I'll look and see if there's little decoration and stuff like that for their room, or like shelves and stuff. Really don't need anything. Oh, but we are going to buy one thing that Dan wanted. It's like little kid tables. I want to get like a square one, and I'm hoping that it comes with 4 chairs, but if not, we might have to buy 2 tables. But I think it'd be so cute for them to like sit and eat at and stuff like that. So Dan really wanted that, so he asked me to pick it up, so I think that's what I'm going to do. But I think they actually might be sleeping. Jackson? Oh no, the boys are awake. Olivia? Oh, they're all awake still, so I guess they'll drive on the way there. But we're going to go meet Emily and Auntie Gaga there. It's going to be so fun, and baby Axel, of course. But I missed Emily, so I'm going to be excited to see her. It wasn't the same waking up without her. I made it to Ikea. Now we're just waiting for Emily, but she's over there.
Aww, look at her.
She sees us. Hi, Emily. Hi. Oh. I missed you. I know. I saw you like that. Hi, baby. Look at mommy. Did you have fun, Auntie Gaga's? Yeah? Did you have fun, Auntie Gaga's? Yeah?
2 spots over for
I want to go see the baby.
Yeah, you want to go see the babies? Okay, let's go around and see them. Guys, who's that? What do you say? You want to go back and see Olivia?
No.
Why?
Yeah.
Did you miss us? Did you miss Olivia?
Yeah.
Aww. Okay, hold hands. Good job. Did you miss your big sister? Did you miss your brothers?
Yeah.
Oh. Reunited. And it feels so good. Right, Emily?
Yeah.
You guys all have a smoothie now? To say thank you to Auntie Gaga. Aww. Is that comfy, Emily? Whoa. Is that comfy? Olivia's gonna try.
Keep it straight. There you go.
You found a carpet to walk on?
I keep tilting it.
Ah! Ah! Is someone following my feet? Ah! You're silly. Oh. Stay here. That's Mommy's dream bathtub right there. Wouldn't that be so nice to have? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There we go. Yeah. And a nice shower.
No, you're not actually going for a bath.
Dream bedroom. Even this one is nice. Hey, come on, guys. Oh, the toilet doesn't actually work. You can't actually go pee-pee in there. I want to do something like this in our bathroom. Yeah? Okay, come on. Come on. You like that?
Take it.
You want that? Well, maybe when you're a little older and you start to wear makeup.
Yeah, but I'm big because I can have this.
Yeah? You say, mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the prettiest of them all?
I think it's 61 this way.
You like that too, Olivia? Maybe you and Olivia could get that for your room. Yeah, that'd be so cute.
There's no makeup in there.
So this is what we came for. Children's table. How much is this? $20 for just a chair. I don't know if Dan would appreciate that price. $55. Well, we'll have to find it downstairs. This is my future project for Emily and Olivia's room, to create a little bookshelf. I think that would be so cute. Oh, she found a little entrance. Oh my gosh, is this like a TV? You put a TV in there? But yeah, I want to do this in the room, so maybe I can do this today. Get the little shelves and stuff. Be so cute. I just had to stop and let them play in the little kids area for a minute. Give them a little break. Emily's so concentrated. You like that, Emily? Yeah? What are you doing in there? I see you. Uh-oh. Traffic jam. Uh-oh. We have one of those at home, you know. Yeah? Where's Olivia? You want your hat on? Jackson. Oh, a little calculator, yeah.
No, it's like a thing at the register.
Oh, yeah, yeah. This is the table I think we're going to get. Out of all of them, it's a good price and it's big enough for all 4 of them to sit at. So have to buy 4 chairs. Do you guys want to get this table, Emily? So I have to keep track of all of them. Emily, you want to get the table? Oh, look at that yummy food. Look at the yummy food. That looks so yummy. Got a little hot dog for everyone before we leave. Yeah, you eating your hot dog? Axel. Hi, buddy. Hi. You're having a hot dog? Yeah? Olivia, you eating your hot dog too? And Emily, like your hot dog? We got all of our stuff. I'll show you when we get home what we got. Just have to wait for everyone to finish their food before we get in the van. Olivia, let's see your face. Oh, yummy. Can you give Jackson a lick?
Like, you want to put Axel and Corrie, not put Emily.
Hey, give Jackson a lick. Jackson takes a little slick. He doesn't want to get dirty. Okay, Levi. Mmm, yummy. No, he doesn't want to lick your finger. He doesn't want to lick your finger. Okay, give him another lick. You got some on your chin. Oh gosh, Olivia. Uh-oh, you're gonna roll away. Uh-oh. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna let you roll away. Okay, one more lick from Olivia. You see the birdie? Wow, that's some face you got there, Olivia. Finished at Ikea and we were just, Taylor and I were hungry. And I think the babies were too because they only got like a little half hot dog. So went into the Fortinos and got a whole smorgasbord of food. So we got cantaloupe, obviously healthy, sushi, potato wedges, and there's wings underneath. And then the babies are eating, well, this is the last of it, but they're eating, as you can see, it's a pizza bagel. So I think they're eating it, but you guys like your pizza bagel? Yeah? You eating your pizza bagel? They'll probably end up falling asleep before they finish it, but okay, we're just gonna eat this quick. We're gonna eat this quick and then we're going to go back over to Jessica's house because she got a new cat, so we want to meet him and stuff. Henry and Harvey, and Henry actually looks like Harvey, so it's like perfect name for him. Just got Tante Gaga's and Emily's sleeping. Looks so cute. Guys, where's Emily? She's sleeping? Did you just fall asleep or she sleep on the way home?
Yeah, sleep on the way home.
Aww.
Sleep when she got in, pretty much.
Are you laying with Axel? Aww. Hi, buddy. Hi. Whoa, look at that. Is that truck moving by itself? Jackson or Levi? Hi. Yeah? Are you hanging with Axel? Oh, you got your nummy. You got your nummy. What show's this? Hi, buddy. Hello, buddy number 2. The truck moves by itself. Is Axel with Bubba in there? Yeah? Huh? Yeah, Brody's outside. Oh, what show is this? Olivia, what show is this? Is it Rusty Rivets? Come here. Oh yeah. Have an extra one. Axel. Here. train? Yeah, why don't you drive the train on the mat? Look at this, is like what we got. Tiki tiki doo. Yeah. Uh-oh, the train's broken. Hi. It's for everyone. Hi. Did you wake up from your nice nappy? No? You want to give Mommy kisses?
Mommy!
Yeah? Look who's awake. Emmy. We're gonna go see her?
It's broken.
I know it's broken.
So comfy.
Emily, you look so comfy. Are you comfy? Yeah?
You want to go in that?
Oh, Olivia found her favorite thing.
You want to go in there?
Mommy!
Yeah?
Mommy!
Yeah?
Broken.
Oh, it's broken, I know. Okay, let's fix it. Put this here. There. Okay, now let it go by itself.
So apparently Waffles likes
Olivia's getting ready to bounce. Woo! Whoa! The next Cirque du Soleil performer.
Do a backflip.
Yeah. Whoa! Woohoo! You want to try? You want to try? Put it in his mouth.
No, I can't put that in his mouth. That's choke.
Put it in Emily's. Emily, want to put it in your mouth?
Here, let's try this again. We have to show everyone. You don't like it? No? You want to try another lick? You want to try another lick? We're never going to.
Hello. My crazy got 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 hello. Oh, that's a good idea.
Okay, tell Jackson, Olivia, and Levi a word. Teach them a word to say.
Say, yay! Hold on, Hussy. Okay. Go, puppy. No, puppy. Okay. Hold on, puppy. Okay.
What about Olivia's turn?
Say, yay! Say, hold on, cow. Oh, poopy! Hold on, poopy.
It's a little dark, but made it home. Dan's home now too. And it's also bedtime for everyone too. After 9. Yeah.
That's a ball.
Yeah. Leave it up to Dan to make them all crazy.
ain't like crazy.
I'm just kidding.
Mommy,
Yeah?
Eggie.
That is an eggie. You got an eggie? You showing everyone your eggie? Oh, he's silly. Are you sticking your tongue out?
No, don't do that.
Hey.
Boo-boo. Hey, you gave me a boo-boo.
Oh, don't throw the egg. Did you guys have a fun day today?
No.
No?
Come here, wait.
Daddy, what's this?
Little.
Looks like Daddy's done some cleaning.
Daddy, what's this?
That's a helicopter.
What did you throw out that I'm going to be upset about?
Nothing. I did take those clothes to the donation bin.
Daddy, what's
Oh, in that black bag? Oh, that's fine. I was going to save them for the garage sale, but I guess not.
Garage sale.
My mom's having a garage sale. I told you.
Yeah, but
Daddy, what's
That's the only thing you threw out?
Daddy?
Swear on our relationship?
I swear on it. Swear on our
Daddy,
relationship.
what's
You said slip.
this?
I swear on our relationship.
Yeah. She has a butterfly kiss on her cheek. Oh, that's so
a basket,
cute.
Emma. You know what that is.
No, this.
Oh, it's a top. It's a spinner. A top.
So I think we're just going to quickly get everyone ready to bed. And I hope you guys enjoyed today. Although it's not done, I'm just going to show you what we bought from Ikea afterwards, our little Ikea haul. We're going to wait until everyone is asleep. Yeah, we're going to set it up, what we've bought, what I bought. You'll see it when we show you and stuff, but
Hey,
I don't want the babies to see it because, one, it'll keep them up all night, and then two, they won't play with it, and we'll be able to set it up.
Gather around.
And then three, it's just going to be a lot of work to try and get them to bed, knowing that they just had like a little 5-minute power nap from dropping off Tay-Tay to back home. So hopefully we can just get them to bed. I think the boys and Emily are pretty tired, so it's just Olivia I'm not too sure about. So just going to have a little bit more fun. What are you guys playing with?
Hey,
Oh, the top. Did you spray the couches or something? Did you spray the couches or something?
Yeah.
I feel kind of wet.
No, it can't be that wet. I just sprayed them with some
I feel like
Febreze.
damp. Okay, you want to see Mommy? Here, Mommy do it once.
You need this.
Yeah, I will.
No, I'm going to show you. You need to drop it.
Well, if I drop it, I can't spin it.
Right? Well, you have to do it like this. There you go.
Oh, okay. Let Mommy try.
There you go.
I can do it a lot faster when I just put it on the ground. Want to see how fast it can go? Watch.
Did you have a good day? Did you have a good day?
Whoa! Look at that go! Crazy!
Did you have a good day?
This is a real fidget spinner.
The original fidget spinner.
Yeah. Okay. Well, we gotta put them to bed before it gets too late, and this makes it like an hour-long vlog. So, can you say goodnight to everyone?
Say goodnight.
Say goodnight.
Say goodnight. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Take your nummy out. Say bye-bye.
Say night-night, everyone.
And then say night-night, everyone. Say
Olivia,
night-night. I'll give you your nummy back. Say night-night.
can you say night-night? Okay, well, they say goodnight, so we'll say goodnight, guys. Okay, say goodnight, everyone.
I love you.
Oh, that's so nice.
I love you, Gabba. I love you, Nanny.
I love you, Daddy.
I love you, Gabba.
And I love you, Daddy.
And I love you, Tay-Tay.
And Daddy, I love you.
I love you, Mommy.
And I love you, Daddy.
And I love you, Nanny.
And I love you, Daddy.
And I love you, Gabba.
Okay, and then say I love you, Daddy.
And then I love you.
Daddy, say Daddy. Quick, say Daddy before it's too late. Daddy, before it's too late. Daddy. Hey.
Gabba.
Oh, come on.
Say, I love you so much, Daddy.
I love you so much, Mommy.
Okay. All right, I see how it is.
Say, I missed you so much, Daddy.
I miss you so much, Mommy.
That's it. You're out of the will.
Say, I missed you so much, Mommy.
I miss you so much, Mommy.
I love you so, so much, Mommy and Daddy.
I love you, Mommy.
Oh, Daddy's gonna cry. I'm gonna make Daddy cry. Did you really miss Daddy, though?
Yeah, I miss Mommy.
Hey. I thought we were best buddies.
Say, Daddy, you're my best friend.
You're my best friend, Mommy.
All right. I give up. Hey.
We know the love's in there. She's just playing around, right, Emily?
Hey, you really love me, right?
I love you so much, Mommy.
You're silly.
I don't know,
Oh.
Daddy. I don't know.
spoken the truth, I guess.
Okay, I get it.
Oh my goodness.
At least I got these rugrats.
Yeah, they love you.
They love
their
you.
daddy.
You guys love me?
Yeah.
What?
I don't love Daddy, Mommy.
Why?
Because.
Because why?
Because I don't like him.
You don't
Daddy
like
is
him?
super sad. Daddy is sad.
That is sad.
Daddy is sad. Say,
Okay,
Daddy, you're
bye-bye.
extra. Say, Daddy, you're extra.
Yes. Mommy.
Was that
yeah,
so? Was that so?
No, he's gonna say Daddy is extra.
Yeah.
Say, Daddy, you're so silly.
Mommy, you're so silly.
Take that, Mom.
Say, Mommy, you're the best.
You're the best, Mommy.
Thank you. I love you.
I love you so much, Mommy.
I love you so much too,
I
Emily.
don't have
Wow, are you gonna do this all night or?
Okay, we'll end it for
Yeah,
for
thanks.
yourself. And your house is so dark, you need to actually use your camera light to brighten it up. Oh, it's not gonna work. We'll see. There, it's all set up now. So we got everyone to bed, so that's good. And we're just gonna set up the little table for them. So this is what we got. It's like a nice screen table, and it came with 4 chairs.
Is this the...
Oh yeah, that's the other piece. So 4 chairs, and I also got them this, which I'm excited about. I always had one of these when I was a kid, but it's like a little...
Who didn't have one as a kid?
Huh?
Everybody had that.
Actually, you know, I don't think we actually did. I think we went to a friend's house and played with it, and we always hoped to get one. But anyways, it's like a little mat you can drive your cars around and stuff. So we're going to set this up at the same time. I also just got these here. I'll show you. So we're setting up the table quick, but I'll just show you quickly what I got. These cute little pots.
Waste money?
So I'm going to use those for something.
For something. You
And
hear that?
the
For
vase.
something.
No, I have an idea for it.
Yeah, okay.
And then these 2 little white buckets. That's going to go up in the baby's rooms. And then I got them 2 buckets, just 2 clear buckets for their arts and crafts stuff. So I was going to get 1 big one, but I decided to get 2 little ones so I can put like crayons and pencils and other. And then the other one would be like crafty kind of things. Then I got, just these are on sale, 2 little picture frames for the boys' room.
You hear that? It's on sale, so I have to get it.
And then 2 cute little frames for Emily and Olivia's room. So can never go wrong with some picture frames, but
What happens when you give her my credit card?
no, because I'm transferring him the money, so don't worry.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So we're just going to finish building the table now, and then we'll set it all up. Deciding where to put the chair and table, but I think we're going to put it there. So, a perfect little spot right in the corner. Just move the couch over. But I'm so excited. I think they're going to be so excited when they come down in the morning and see it all set up. Everything is all set up now. We got the mat, we got the table. Now all we need is 4 little babies to wake up in the morning to have fun.
So it'll be like Christmas for them, you know?
Yeah, so I'm hoping that they actually play with the mat like you should, but knowing them, I'm sure the mat's going to end up like wrapped around them or something like that. But
They'll pretend to be a ghost.
yeah. But either way, are you happy with the purchases?
Yeah? I really like the green color of the table.
Well, there's not many options. There's either pink, blue, like the same style,
but they were rectangle and they were kind of small, or wooden ones that were super expensive. So I think this was the best option, and green is just like a neutral color. It's also my favorite color, although it's not the reason why I bought it. So yeah. I feel like today is going to be a very long vlog though, because we just got so much. So I have to see in what we actually have. So before it gets any longer, we'll end it now, and hopefully it won't be too long, but it's still a lot of fun that we had today. So yeah, thank you for watching, and we hope you like this.
One
Leave
more
a like
day
down
and
below.
for the weekend.
Yeah, so excited.
Damn,
Although by the
damn.
time they see this, actually they will see this on Saturday. So
Good.
yeah. So thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you tomorrow or
Bye.
next time.
Have
Yeah.
a good night.
Bye.
Love me.